So I have this Ryobi electric pressure washer, and that's like a small, very small device compared to the ones with motors in it, and it comes with different nozzles. So I just left this on here. I have this for a while already, but they show like a turbo nozzle, a 15-degree spray nozzle, and the soap nozzle, and we're going to see what does work better in our particular thing. So for concrete, brick, and masonry is this turbo nozzle here. This is this one. This thing is going to spin around. It's already corroded here inside. And then we have this abrasive one, this one here, and the soap one, gentle. Okay. Now we want to see which one works better, and for that I'm gonna leave the turbo here and use this one, the abrasive one. And this has stainless steel part here. See that? This is stainless steel. That's why it doesn't corrode. And this here is not stainless steel. That's why you see corrosion here on the tip. Corrosion is never good. And we just insert it here with one hand. Okay, so like this. And you should never do what I do here with your finger on the tip. If this by accident turns on, that's going to blow your finger off. Alright, so we're going to turn this on, and then we are going to clean here my umbrella. We do a deep power wash clean here. I did this already yesterday here on this parts of you a little bit. You see there's a different color. This one I just did a minute ago, and then this one will be next. And what we have on here is green growth. It's like moss and sap. Those pieces here, the white pieces, are sap, and they all come in from this tree because this umbrella spent at least 10 years under this tree. And there it will be in the future too, as long as it doesn't rip. It's going to be there. We just make room for new dirt by cleaning it. And of course, when I clean it, I have to try to get the dogs out of the way. They are in the way here. But okay, let's go with the first nozzle and see how this goes. It stopped recording. GoPro, thank you. So we turn this on and then we see. Let's do this piece on this side first. It's going to be loud. Look what happened. The dogs are running like crazy, and they ripped this thing off my thing. Kidding. Look at those dogs. One dog made a mistake. Hey, get out of my stuff! No! Stay away from my stuff. So, getting this one out. And now after the dogs are messing around here, well, I don't know where they are right now, but keep this clean. Let's try this nozzle. And also notice that the dogs move this thing around. I think this is good now. Let's see how this goes with this nozzle. Yeah, the camera didn't want to come back on. And I think my neighbor is also doing a lot of stuff there. Loud, but as you can see, it did a great job here. Look at that. Now I have 2 more left here. So, I think that's it now. That's good enough for now. And yeah, what do we see from this? That the turbo nozzle here seems to be much faster in this scenario. So even though it's made for concrete, like this stuff, that's what it's made for.